On today's menu, an absolutely delicious and easy to make vegan tuna sandwich.
Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. This recipe is so easy to make and it tastes so similar to tuna.
Mixing bowl.
These are canned chickpeas I've already rinsed out.
Half a cup canned chickpeas. Season with salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds.
This is nori or toasted seaweed, the same thing you use for when you make sushi. You just gotta chop this up and it's gotta add a subtle ocean flavor to your tuna.
One tablespoon worth of finely chopped onion. Add a splash of fresh lime juice. 1 tablespoon tahini. Mash.
As you break it down, it's really going to start resembling a tuna-like texture. Just be generous with that amazing chickpea tuna.
Tomato. Lettuce. You can now make this easy and delicious sandwich with absolute confidence.
Quick, uncomplicated. In a few minutes, you'll have this amazing meal ready to go. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.